Chapter 2. Banking Operations. Banking operations encompass a wide range of activities that ensure the smooth functioning of financial institutions. Here is an overview of key areas. 1. Retail liabilities. Retail liabilities refer to the funds that banks owe to their customers. These include A. Savings accounts, interest-bearing accounts for individuals. B. Current accounts, non-interest-bearing accounts for businesses. C. Fixed deposits, FDs, time-bound deposits with fixed interest rates. D. Recurring deposits, RDs, regular savings schemes with fixed tenure. E. Other liabilities, borrowings from RBI, bonds, etc. 2. Retail assets. Retail assets are the loans and credit products offered by banks to individuals and small businesses. These include A. Home loans, mortgages for purchasing houses. B. Personal loans, unsecured loans for personal needs. C. Auto loans, loans for purchasing vehicles. D. Education loans, loans for higher studies. E. Credit cards, short-term revolving credit. 3. Know your customer, KYC. KYC is a regulatory process to verify customer identity and prevent financial crimes. It involves A. Customer identification process, CIP, collecting documents like Aadhaar, PAN, passport, etc. B. Customer due diligence, CDD, risk assessment based on customer profile. C. Ongoing monitoring, regularly updating customer records and checking for suspicious transactions. 4. Asset Liability Management, ALM. ALM is the process of managing a bank's assets and liabilities to minimize risks. Key aspects include A. Liquidity risk management, ensuring enough funds are available to meet short-term obligations. B. Interest rate risk management, managing the impact of fluctuating interest rates on assets and liabilities. C. Gap analysis, assessing mismatches between assets and liabilities to avoid financial instability. 5. Preventive vigilance. This involves measures to prevent fraud and ensure compliance with banking regulations. A. Internal controls, implementing strict policies and checks. B. Whistleblower mechanism, encouraging employees to report unethical practices. C. Surprise audits, conducting unannounced checks on banking operations. D. Fraud monitoring systems, using AI and analytics to detect unusual transactions.